are pleased to show you the 2019 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, power sunroof, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, security system, compass, heated front seats, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.